culinary medicine specialist. I'm so glad you're here. I promised you that I would give you something for Christmas. So before Christmas gets here, I just wanted to show you how to make a healthy dessert. My favorite dessert is actually apple pie. And while I love apple pie, my tips in this section do not. Okay, so I wanted to make a healthy alternative that just kind of still gives you that apple pie feeling and flair without the calories. So let's get to it. So super easy. I've melted 3 tablespoons of butter. You can use regular butter, you can use vegan butter. I have 2 Honey Crisp apples, so I'm just gonna add a little at a time just so we can kind of add things to the mix as we go. So I've got my apple. I have a butternut squash that I cut. Butternut squash is a little bit rough to cut, let me tell you. So this is probably like half. So we don't have to use it all, we can always repurpose things. All right, and then I'm gonna add some ground cinnamon. We'll be generous here, right? Cinnamon doesn't have any sugar or any of the naughty stuff. And then I have this sugar. It's called apple pie cane sugar. It's from one of my favorite seasoning companies, Gustus Vitae. You guys know that they're one of my faves. You can use my discount code, Dr. Powell 30 and get 30% off. So it's called apple pie cane sugar. So I've got that. I'm just gonna go ahead and mix it. That's my oven. I've preheated that to 400 degrees. And I've got this in a roasting pan. So what I'm gonna do is just roast this, I say like 20-30 minutes. And then I'm going to toss it up some more and I'm gonna add my granola on top and then my roasted pecans. And so it'll give me a little apple crisp feel to it, okay? So that's it. I've mixed my apples, I've mixed my butternut squash, cinnamon, and cane sugar. I'll show you guys what it looks like, just like this. And that's it. I'm going to put it in the oven. We'll bake it for 20-30 minutes. So go ahead and do that. I'll see you in 30 minutes. All right, it's been about 20-25 minutes. I can smell this coming down my corner, down my staircase. So I'm gonna go ahead and add some honey, just some extra sweetness, because you guys know all we did was add a little bit of that sugar. So I'm just gonna drizzle some honey there. And I'm going to add some granola. This granola has pumpkin seeds and chia seeds. So I'm just gonna put that on top, just a nice layer. And we're gonna bake this just 5 minutes. Like the sweet potatoes or yams are nice and soft. So I'm just gonna put that on top, just like that. And now I'm gonna take some pecan pieces and I'm gonna put that. That's gonna make some extra fiber. And we're just gonna eat this and it's gonna taste delicious and we're gonna pretend that we're eating apple pie. And our body's gonna be so happy. Okay, that's it. All right, I just pulled this out the oven. It smells delicious, it looks delicious. It's gonna have some nice crunch on top. The apples and the butternut squash, I think I called them yams because I'm thinking about yams. But this, remember, is butternut squash, which is kind of similar to yams, but in terms of their taste and texture, but a little bit different in the flavor. Anyway, this is gonna go great with like a scoop of vanilla ice cream and it's gonna be way healthier than some apple pie or apple cobbler or something like that. Obviously, there's not nearly as much sugar. We're not getting any of the breading or carbs. We've got granola, we've got nuts, we've got pumpkin seeds, chia seeds. It's gonna be delicious and nutritious. Enjoy and have a Merry Christmas.